I know for a fact that replacing yourself in your own business can potentially make you millions, if not hundreds of millions of dollars. In this video, I talk about the incredible benefits of replacing yourself in your own business so you can focus on improving yourself, other sectors of your business, and most importantly, other ventures you may want to pursue. In this video, you'll learn why replacing yourself can grow your business, the benchmarks of when to replace yourself, and how to replace yourself. Let's dive into this video. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to eCommerce Street, the best channel for e-commerce content. You're not going to find a channel like this anywhere, where we're dropping value on the daily. Okay, I just want to apologize really quick that my background here and everything that's been going on the last couple of videos you've seen of mine, my house is under complete renovations and everything is an absolute disaster right now. There's a bunch of crap in this room, and this is kind of like the only room I have where I can film that isn't really crowded. And believe it or not, like, this is crowded already, so imagine how the rest of my house is. But pretty soon, as I film more videos, this will kind of be out of the filming zone and I'll be able to film in other areas of my house. But for now, I gotta stay in here. But let's dive quickly into this video and talk about how replacing yourself can make you millions in your business. As an entrepreneur, you sacrifice massive amounts of time to work in your business. As your business grows, the amount of work coming at you also grows. You're multitasking everything possible, like customer service, logistics, marketing, and even content creation. Things are getting very stressful now, and the time you have for yourself is slowly diminishing. You've made it to this point, and now you finally realize, like, okay, it's time to replace myself. I have a lot of things going on here. How can I do it, and when can I do it? How can replacing yourself help you grow your business? When you make yourself replaceable, you become much more available to focus on other problems that need your attention. You also have the flexibility to take on new projects and help them innovate with new ideas, processes, and systems that you may want to build with your team. Now, let's be real here, guys. Who wants to sit there consistently and be getting involved with things like customer service on the daily? Like, let's be real here. You don't want to be sitting on your computer, constantly answering emails, even responding to some very angry customers. No one wants to be doing that every single day. It's time consuming, it's repetitive, and most importantly, like I just said, it's really annoying. Like, no one wants to deal with that. When you find yourself having difficulty keeping up with these workloads, you have found your benchmark, and you may want to consider hiring an employee to do the hard work for you. And now, guys, these are very good signs of growth, and it should excite you, to be honest. Remember, everyone is different though. Someone may really enjoy doing customer service on a daily basis. However, if you're trying to grow your business, you want to be replacing yourself as much as possible. Now, these little tedious tasks you want to get away from. And another reason why you want to replace yourself and why it helps your business grow is because as you do grow, your team grows as well. And let me tell you guys, without a solid team and foundation, your business is nothing. For all you young dropshippers out there without a team, your time will come. But for the people building brands and real businesses, they're really winning. Their team is everything. And now, mind you, building a team doesn't cost you a lot of money either. Although depending on how big your business is, it can. Your team will help you scale your business to the moon by replacing the everyday work you normally do while you can focus on scaling. And now, in the book that I'm reading called Ready, Aim, Fire by Michael Masterson, he states that no matter how big your team is, you should always be involved with the marketing and selling sector of your business. Now, that's so true, guys. I mean, why would you want to, like, obviously you want to replace yourself as much as possible in your business, but you don't want to completely be removed from it. You know, you still want to handling the main marketing objections and operations, because at the end of the day, you do have employees doing that work for you, but you do want to be telling them, again, nobody knows your brand better than you, I guess you could say, right? Like, that's just how it is. Nobody knows your brand better than you, and you want to be the one guiding people. You've hit the benchmarks. You've realized, okay, it's time to replace myself. I know when to replace myself. Now, how do I replace myself? Like, what do I do to actually replace myself now? The number one thing you can do is outsource help. So some tasks may be completed better by outsourcing rather than hiring new employees all the time too. Things like email agencies, PR management, influencer agencies, like people that we work with. You don't have to necessarily like hire them as employees, but they're third-party agencies that handle that stuff for you, and they do work in your business. You can do things like that. But when you do want to hire employees, it's definitely a good route to do, especially for customer service, because they're going to actually be involved in your business on payroll every single day. And the way to do that is to actually, there's various websites you can do, like we've used. You can go onto Fiverr, you can go onto Upwork, you can go to, there's a company called GoTo that has a huge list of employees for you guys, VAs, customer service reps, all that kind of stuff. And it's the very, very mainstream way to go. Now again guys, like I said, it's very important to free up your time for those heavyweight projects. So you want to make sure that you're giving your employees those kind of tasks, so that way there you can focus on the main innovations of your company. Now keep in mind as well guys, when you do choose this route of hiring employees, it can get pretty costly, and a lot of these duties are being replaced by outsourcing like we were talking about. So additionally, quality is a concern to consider as well. If you choose this route, you want to ensure that quality is being maintained in every aspect of your business as well, because the more people you hire, the harder it is to actually control quality of work being done. So you want to make sure that you're always on top of your employees properly and efficiently. Now, another way to replace yourself out of your own business as well is by delegating responsibilities. So sometimes responsibilities can really weigh down as they become more and more like time consuming, and when they start taking away from you and the things you love, it's time to consider delegating some of those responsibilities. So if you may have a team in place, you can reach out to your best employees and teach them how to do these tasks that take up the majority of your time. And the key to doing that is just being a very successful leader and prioritizing your duties to assign those tasks to somebody that you can trust. All right guys, so I hope you enjoyed that video. This is a pretty quick video about replacing yourself, and honestly, we've done this so many times in our past businesses. It's really helped us really grow to where we want to get to today. And even with this current business that we're running right now, it has helped us grow, like we've mentioned. And you want to just be cycling through hires and employees all the time, because you want to get those nitty-gritty tasks out of the way at all costs, right? Stuff that takes up most of your time, the least important things, should be put on to other people so that they can, work their job and do that. As silly as that may sound, or it's like, it may sound like a bad thing, but it's not, because at the end of the day, you want to grow your business, right? So you can't be stuck doing those small tasks every single day that take up a majority of your time. To recap, you want to spend most of your time innovating and get yourself really fully on the marketing perspective of things, to make sure that's... So again guys, I hope you enjoyed that video. Thanks for watching. Please give this video a like and subscribe. It will really help us boost the algorithm for YouTube. And I just wanted to give you a personal thanks. Again, we've seen so much support on the channel recently, so I just want to say a big thanks to that. I really do hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you guys for watching.